Did you know what are the most dangerous bear species? I bet you don't know the last one. The first one is polar bears. These creatures are largest land carnivores on Earth. Your only chance of survival depend on how fast you can run. Next, we have grizzly bears. Grizzly bears are known for their size and strength. To survive encounter with this beast, make yourself as large as possible. Next, we have black bears. Do you know how to survive their attack? Tell me in the comments. And in the last place, the sloth bears. Although they eat mostly insects, they kill 12 people a year. To survive it, you can climb a tree, and if you can't, then you're gone.